In this video, I'm going to answer 7 questions with respect to reporting of input tax credit in new format. Hi, this is Abhishek Agarwal, and I hereby welcome you in the third episode of Get Set Trained with Abhishek. With respect to our first video, we have got good number of questions regarding reporting of input tax credit, and the questions are as follows. Before starting the questions, I will just brief the table once again that currently the GSTR 3B table 4A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sub tables. Subsequent after the changes also the table will be same. For the detailed description, you can always refer the first video. 4AB, earlier it was reversal, ITC reverse as per rule 42 and 43, and the subclause 2 was others. Subsequently, it will be as per rule, reversal should be as per rule 38, rule 42, 43, and 17.5. Second will be others. So it will be the permanent reversal will be 4B1 and the temporary reversal will be 4B2. Currently, the 4D table is ineligible ITC, that is reporting of block credit and others. Subsequently, after the changes, it will be ITC reclaimed, which we have reversed earlier in 4B2, and we have reclaimed in the current period. That is to be reported in 4D1, and 4D2 will be ineligible ITCs with respect to 16 subsection 4 provisions and different place of supply which is restricted, right? So the details can be again viewed in the episode 1 of the series, right? So now let's jump into the questions of the videos. First question. What if, let's say in the month of August 2022, if in the books there is no ITC, but in GSTR 2B, ITC can be seen of 100 rupees. Let's say, for example, if a supplier has sold the products on 28th of July, on 28th of August rather, and the recipient has received the goods in the month of September. So in GSTR 1 of the month of August, the supplier have uploaded the GSTR 1 and the recipient will able to see the transaction in GSTR 2A or 2B in the month of August itself. But as per 16.2B, since the goods has been received in the month of September, the recipient is eligible to take the credit in the month of September. So he has recorded the entry in the books in the month of September. So let's say for this example, in the month of August, in GSTR 2B, ITC is 100 rupees. Friends, this is to be disclosed in the month of August. In the month of August, it will be disclosed in 4A5 and it will be subsequently reversed in 4 Bombay 2, 4B2, right? In the month of September, when the recipient is showing this in the books of accounts and it is not there in GSTR 2B, then how it is to be disclosed in the month of September? Please see this. In the month of September, the recipient has to add this in 4A5 under all other ITC and disclose this in 4D1. ITC reclaimed, which was reversed earlier in 4B2. I believe I've drafted this and you have got a better clarity at how to disclose this in a subsequent month. Let's move to a second question. What if import of goods is disclosed in the same fashion? Friends, as answered in the question 1, import of goods will be reported in the same way, but the circular is using the word all other ITC. So in the month of September also, you will add back the 75 rupees in all other ITC. Please note a second opinion can also be taken that you add back in the import of goods only. What is my understanding is the intent of the law could be that they only want variance in all other ITC and not on the other tables. So in the circular, they are used that all other ITC figure can be added, but a second opinion can be taken and import of goods can be modified in the month of September, right? Let's move to the third question. Books in the month of August 2022, in books you have a ITC of 50 rupees, but it is not disclosed in your GSTR 2B. It is not coming in your GSTR 2B. Hence, in the month of August, how will you disclose this? 16(2)AA, you will not report this. 16(2)AA, this 50 rupees is not your ITC because it is not coming in your GSTR 2B. So this is not to be considered in your GSTR 3B. It is only eligible when it is coming in your GSTR 2B, right? Fourth question. Books, it is coming 60 rupees. GSTR 2B, it is coming 80 rupees. Now what? So you will report this in 4A5, 80 rupees. This is coming auto-populated. And you will reverse 20 rupees. Since you are not taking 20 rupees today, and in your books you will be taking in the subsequent month. In the month which you will be taking in the books of accounts, in that month you will again take the credit, right? Since in the current month of August 2022, you in your books it is only 60 rupees. Auto-populated figure of GSTR 2B will be becoming 80 rupees, and you will reverse the 20 rupees to get the 60 rupees net ITC in your electronic credit ledger, right? Next question. Question 5. In books, it is 70 rupees, and in GSTR 2B, it is 40 rupees. The other ratio. So in the month of August, in 4A5, the auto-populate figure of 40 rupees will come, and you will not take the credit of 30 rupees. This 30 rupees will only come to GSTR 3B when it is coming in GSTR 2B. So you have to maintain a separate reconciliation for the same, right? Next question. Question 6. What if my books is, now please friends note, question 6 and question 7 is with respect to ineligible ITC. Earlier 5 question was with respect to eligible ITC. Now, since we understood that they want a reporting of ineligible ITC, question 6 and question 7 has been asked with respect to ineligible ITC. So what if I have not considered any figure today with respect to ineligible ITC, but my GSTR 2B is showing ineligible ITC of rupees 45. In the month of August 2022, it is coming in all other ITC. I will reverse temporarily in 4 Bombay 2. Please note, friends, 17 subsection 5 asks us to reverse it in 4 Bombay 1. But since it has not hit in our books, we have to temporarily reverse it in 4 Bombay 2. In a subsequent month, when it comes to my books of account, so scenario 7 is, in the month of August, it is not disclosed in the books of accounts, but disclosed in your GSTR 2B. In the month of September, you are considering this in the books of accounts, but you are not considering, but it is not auto-populated in your GSTR 2B. Then what? So in the month of September, please be mindful. In the month of September, in 4A5, you will reclaim rupees 45. You will properly reverse it for Bombay 1 as a permanent reversal, and you will also disclose this in 4 Delhi 1. That is a disclosure that this was reclaimed because it was reversed in a temporary reversal table in a previous month, right, friends? So this were the 7 questions which were asked by the viewers. You can ask all your queries in the link given below, and we'll love to answer those. See you in my next video.